The Owen James Report is brought to you by
NCB Capital Markets, serious about wealth. Precision. It's the difference between average returns or excellent. Control separates the great from the ordinary. Balance. It's what leaves you on your feet instead of on your face. Strategy. The flexibility to respond when the time is right. Making the right moves at the right time. That's what drives success. NCB Capital Markets, serious about wealth.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report, and we begin with international business news. The International Energy Agency, in its latest report, says the United States will overtake Saudi Arabia to become the world's biggest oil producer before 2020. The IEA's Global Energy Report attributes this forecast to the recent resurgence in oil and gas production and efforts to make the transport sector more efficient. The U.S. is experiencing an oil boom, largely due to the high world prices and new technologies, including fracking, which makes the extraction of oil from shale rock more commercially viable. News on the market now, and the stock market indices fell for the second consecutive trading day in the new year. The main JSE index fell by 396 points, or a tenth of 1%. Falls by key stocks such as Scotia Investments, NCB Group, and Hardware and Lumber mainly contributed to the decline. 24 stocks traded, with 11 advancing, 8 declining, and 5 holding firm. The winners included Caribbean Cement up 15%, D&G up 11%, newly listed Paramount Trading, and Scotia Group. The losers included General Accident, Hardware and Lumber down almost 12%, NCB, Radio Jamaica, Sagicor Investments, and Scotia Investments. Effective this month, companies in Jamaica have been enjoying a cut in corporate income tax from 33 1/3% to 25%. However, Chartered Accountant Dennis Chung says while this is good for companies who may reinvest the savings, businesses face several challenges at this time.
Certainly it is a move in the right direction because the less taxation that you put on businesses is the more they have for capital reinvestment and that sort of thing. But given the situation of how the economy is, I don't think it's going to make much difference because people are watching things like the devaluation of the Jamaican dollar, interest rates, the lowering of aggregate demand. Those things are a lot more important than the lowering of the tax rate, but it does help.
Amid continued heavy demand and low foreign exchange supply conditions, the Jamaican dollar weakened against the benchmark US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Here are today's foreign exchange numbers. The greenback strengthened by 5 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $93.01, whilst the Canadian dollar advanced by 28 cents Jamaican to close at $93.92. Sterling slipped 3 cents Jamaican to close at $153.39. The licensed financial companies bought a total of $29.1 million US dollars, while selling $32.6 million. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
NCB Capital Markets, serious about wealth.